So between digging holes, add a little variety in there. I'm prepping this end here, and I noticed when I got to this point right here, when I was pushing on it, it felt something was wrong. So at first I just caulked, and then I decided, oh, there's definitely something wrong here. So I took the hammer and I turned out this whole corner was rotten. So this is the importance of your joints. See, we didn't have that hooked up at first. So water was running down here, it hit this joint and it wasn't sealed. So then it went in there and rotted out this corner. And yeah, I could have come down here, cut this off, got a piece and put it in there, but I didn't have any here. Well, I don't think I do anyways. But I did have some other stuff, so I cut a corner, put that, nailed that in, and now I'm caulking it in. So yeah, it's not the perfect case of a repair, but given my time constraints right now, and I'll keep an eye on this to see if there's any further damage. But as of right now, I pulled all the rod out, so we're down to solid wood. So sometimes you have to improvise. You can call it character, but I'm not condoning this method of repair. But in this case, I need to get it done. I can always come back later and cut that off and put another one in. Okay, so otherwise we're pretty much prepped, and I'm gonna have to do something down here. I never see what was the deck went over here. That's why these didn't go down to the bottom. So I kind of decided I'm going to do a strip of aluminum after I get it painted. I think that'll look just as good, and I think that would work. Okay, let's caulk that in, let this dry a little bit, dig some more hole. I think our 3 holes might be okay though, so I can do some measuring, put some stone in, and maybe we can start setting the posts. Okay, let's get to work. We're running out of time.